Good morning, viewers. Today we are going to see one of the important career skills, most important skills for long-term sustenance in an organization or a firm, right? And that's the business development skills. Apart from your technical skills and functional skills which one acquires, the person also need to develop business development skills. As the firm grows, they also want the business to be grown. Now, just the technical and functional skills won't suffice. So, we need to pick up some business development skills in order to contribute to the company's business growth. Now, a basic ability of a business development skill is the business data presentation. Right? I would say it's a business number storytelling where one has to present this company performance and where the company grows, declines of the product and portfolios, so that this would empower the sales team to show where are the weak points, where are the sweet spots, and also on the performance to the management team and the stakeholders. It could be even the customers, right? Now, the starting point to learn this business numbers storytelling, right, is to pick up basic finance terminologies like capex, opex, revenue, cash flow, top line, bottom line, incremental growth, year on year, quarter on quarter, month on month. These are called as the timeline model for business growth, and also a revenue sharing model and net present value. Now, what does this basically cover? The business presentation covers with these numbers is that the presentation should talk about the overall performance of the company's growth, particular products, and where it is demographically grown or declined year on year, month on month and quarter on quarter, as well as any performance of the sales incentive programs, and also the graphical representation of the market share of the company has with respect to the overall share. So these are some of the parameters which one has to capture in the business data presentation. And I'm going to show you certain models, right, methods of how you can present this business numbers to the management team as well as to the other stakeholders and the customers. So let's see the first model here. This model which I'm flashing now uses the traffic light features for the business score dashboard or business status performance dashboard. Okay, so for example, order performance for Q1 FY20, say the overall is green color for the company because they have met 102% of the budget, which is about 2% over the budget. Now, if you zoom into the individual portfolios, the operational services overall is green in color because they have exceeded the budget by 3%. But if you go and deep dive into the product wise performance, the roti, this product here, is just 61%. They have met the budget only 61%, fallen short of 39%, and hence it is red in color. Okay, red in color showing the company or the management has to focus in that particular product to scale up. Similarly, for professional services portfolio, if you see, though they have exceeded the budget by 1%, and hence it's green in color, the status, the individual product set has just managed to meet, or it's just there, it's not met the budget, it's just there, like 96% of the budget. It's not bad, and hence it is represented by yellow in color. So this green, yellow, and red features, right, are used to represent whether the business has met their forecasts or expectations. In this case, it is a budget. Now, the same analogy can be used in geographies, namely which region, which country has exceeded or met the budget, or which regions have fallen short. So countries in the green color box have either exceeded or met the budget. Countries in the yellow color box have just managed almost near, they are there, they have not met the budget, and hence it is yellow in color. And the countries or the regions in red color box show that they have not met the budget and hence require attention from the management.
This is the first model. Now the second model uses the long arrows, the green, red, yellow. I have not shown the yellow here for the different statuses, right? In this case, this company has met, overall they have met about $7,902 million in total orders, and they have grown, which is green in color. That's why the green arrow is here. They have grown 3% year on year. This is the incremental growth over the last year. So they have overall grown plus 3%. Whereas if you look at the individual portfolio of services, this product ROE and install based product have declined minus 0.6% year on year and minus 0.3% year on year, and that's why it is shown as red color arrows, which means they have not grown year on year, and hence it needs scale up in that product itself. Okay, so this is another way of representing your business performance dashboard. And the third method uses the vertical bars. Now I've taken a typical example of an exports performance dashboard here for India. Now if you look at or zoom in to this product here, the cotton yarn and fabs, etc. So if you see this blue color bar, which is below the x-axis, right? It shows a decline of minus 8.1%, which means in the year 2016, fiscal year 2016, they have declined by 8.1%, but come 2017, they have grown by 5.6%. Similarly, the green bar here shows the highest growth at 14%, right, growth, and that is for 2018. And again, there's a steep decline of 11.6% in 2019. So this is another way of representing your business data on which areas, which fiscal years the business have grown or declined. Now, yet another method is using the arrowheads, the green color arrowheads and the red color arrowheads. So as the figures speak, right? So the green color shows that there's been an uptrend growth in these three products, and whereas there's a downtrend or decline in these three products. So these are the different types of models which you can use when you explain your product performances or your portfolio performance or your service performance to the managed board. It's very easy. You can use Microsoft Excel itself to make this presentation.
Thanks for viewing the session. I'll come back with much more informative session next time. Thank you so much.